Often when beginning our research, we ask ourselves, where do I look? Where do I even start? This tutorial will address that. Which research database should I search in order to find the information that I need? We have over 300 different databases, so it's a bit of a daunting task to decide which database or databases you should search. Hopefully, I can alleviate some of those worries with this tutorial. The first thing you need to ask yourself is, what type of information do I need? Scholarly journal articles, news sources, ebooks, videos, images, so on and so forth. We have databases that provide all of these things in one spot, some that focus only on specific types of sources, such as exclusively videos. So you need to decide, what type of information do I need? It may be that you need all of these and more, in which case you might have to search several different databases. You also need to ask yourself, what discipline or subject area does my research involve? Are you a literature student? Do you study biology or accounting? Any number of different subject areas might have different types of databases. Some databases are general or all-purpose databases, meaning that they'll cover several different subject areas in one spot. On the other hand, you also have specialized or subject-specific databases. These are databases that focus on a particular subject area, maybe a business database that has information about accounting and marketing and management and finance, etc. Once you've considered these two things, that gives you a leg up on which database you should choose. So now that we have that information, where do we go to find the different databases that we have access to? As we often do in these videos, we navigate to the library's homepage. Our entire list of research databases is right here, the very first link on the left. And as you can see, we have 334 different databases. They are arranged alphabetically. We've thought about the type of information that we need, the subject area, so now which databases do I need to use? Well, if I'm going by subject area, I can sort according to subject. So again, perhaps I'm a business student or researcher. And you'll see that it provides me with what they call the best bets. Any of these databases are going to focus primarily on business and have different types of resources available. If I were an education student, again, the same idea, except in this case we have a different set of databases that focus or specialize in education. I can also sort by the type of information, the other thing we considered. So if I need news sources, then I can find databases that focus primarily on news. Or again, perhaps I need video. Here are databases that focus on videos and images. So you can see there are several different ways that you can sort the databases to help you decide which ones to use. I will mention 3 of our databases that are very large, all-purpose databases that encompass many different subject areas. They include Onesearch, which is on the library's homepage, right here, where I can follow the advanced search, and we have a tutorial on Onesearch. Other all-purpose databases that are a good starting point for most research projects. ProQuest Central is a very, very large aggregated database with lots of information on most subjects. And then there is also JSTOR, which is a very large scholarly database. Everything in here is scholarly in nature. So hopefully that will get you started on deciding which databases you might consider, which ones you might go and search. And then, of course, if you ever have trouble, you can always contact the library. Contact me in particular, Robert Robinette, and I'm happy to help you locate the sources that you need.